In this tutorial, we will explain how to add Pocket Tools feature into your app. Pocket Tool contains utility tools which you can integrate into your app. Most of the features are native under Pocket Tool. Each tool is independent, which means you can add as many tools into your app as you like. Let's see how it's done. Add Pocket Tool page into your app. As you can see here are several tools, or you can save features. Let's check each of them one by one. Camera. To integrate this tool, you need to provide its name. Once done, click anywhere outside the text box and Camera tool will be added into your app. As its native feature, so it will not work on the simulation window. However, if you check your app on your mobile device, it will open mobile camera directly from the app. Next is location. Through this feature, users can view their current location on the app. Next comes calculator. By integrating this feature, you can provide calculator option to users on your app. Mortgage calculator allows your app users to calculate mortgage payment. With GPA calculator, your app users can easily calculate grade point average. The scanner allows your app users to scan, document, or any other file directly from the app. Next is sound recorder. With this feature, you can allow your users to record audio. Weather tool will allow your users to check weather forecasts on the app. Video recorder will allow your app users to record video. Torch tool will open native Torch through the app. Note tool allows your users to make notes directly on the app. Pedometer helps app users to calculate numbers of steps, which can be useful option in health app. Coloring book will be helpful for kids, which you can customize as per your needs. Currency Converter allows your users to check price in different currencies. Stock Market allows app users to get insights of stock market. Countdown allows app users to set reminders for specific events. Simply provide event title, time zone, date and time. You can also set a predefined text alert message, which will be delivered to your app users before countdown ends. In addition, you can also set alert messages to inform app users when countdown ends. Next is Sticker. Just for your information, Sticker feature only works in iOS device message app. Through Sticker, you can add a custom sticker library on every iOS user message app. Please note your iOS app will be automatically rebuilt every time you upload or remove the images. Please ensure that the image file extension should be PNG or MOTN only. And maximum file sizes allowed is 512 kilobytes. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.